Hello, readers. A few of you have asked me a question lately. It relates to my novel, Underwood 5. Some of you have asked me, is the typewriter magic? That is actually a loaded question because Christopher and Rachel absolutely believe it's magic. And I would say any typewriter that types by itself is absolutely magic. But above all, the typewriter is haunted. It's a haunted typewriter. And it's haunted by Clara Lofton. So yes, the typewriter is magic because Clara Lofton is typing on it. And it doesn't matter that she died 100 years ago. She continues to type her messages and what she wants people to read way after she has passed away. If you can see, the typewriter stays brand new, no matter how old it is, because it is haunted.